No, Jamil. The circle is this and ellipse is this. You have to start from one third of the circle. This is a circle. You have to start from one third. You have to leave this part and start from here, one third of the circle. Yes, close. Yes. Then we'll make a curved line here, like this. So we have this. Then we'll take the intersection of both circle and ellipse. This is the intersection. We'll draw a line. We'll draw another line from this intersection. There are two intersections, this one and this one. We'll draw a line from this intersection to this one. We'll draw another ellipse here which represent the ears. See, now we have a face ready. So now we all have a rough idea of how to draw human face.